Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2011 Land Rover LR4. We're doing a headlight bulb replacement. Real quick overview. This front grille has to come off. Very, very simple. These little inline clips right here will just sit into place here. These ones up top press down on the tab here, and they'll just pull out, and then it will kind of sit in here like this, and then from there just pull the bottom two off and away it's off. Real simple. Now the headlight, I'll show you this one here installed. These little tabbies right here need to be pushed down so that the pin right here lines up with this hole. So as you push it down, we'll raise it up depending upon which way it's set up, but it'll basically line up with the holes and then allow the whole headlight to come out completely. A little lock tab here, and these little lineup pins are on the actual assembly and just sit right in place. And then the whole headlight comes off. Disconnect your connector, one little push tab right here, plain and simple, whole thing comes off. This is the outboard HID. So take off a little cover. See these little twisty tabs right here? One's going to go down, one's going to go up, and then this assembly will come out. Disconnect it just by using a screwdriver and prying that off. Going back in, same way. Put it in, twist tab the other direction, locks it in place. Kind of fun. This thing can only go in one way because there's a lineup pin on the top over here. But this is fun, getting it pushed down all the way and then closing the tab up and stuff in order to get it out. Kind of gotta fidget with a little bit. These little lineup items right down here, you can kind of see a little bit right there. So they all just got to sit in place just perfectly, pressing down in the middle, and then using your finger or a screwdriver, push the tab in the other direction. This whole thing rotates. So, but other than that, and go back together, same way going back in. Put your cover back on, connect it back up, push the tabs in, lift the lock plate assembly. In this case, it's going to be up. See how they line up in here? Like that is how it's going to be where it's locked in place, and this is unlocked. So pretty simple. Got a couple other things on this vehicle, so stay tuned. We'll have more items. Any questions, comments, please let me know.